Hey there, preppers! Got your bug-out bag ready? If not, don't worry. I've got you covered with some essential sustainable items you might have overlooked. First up, hydration is key. Grab a mini water filtration system. This little gadget can turn murky pond water into drinkable H2O. Pair it with a life straw for an instant water source wherever you go. When it comes to cooking, a folding camp stove is a must-have. Lightweight, portable, and perfect for whipping up a hot meal in the wilderness. Just make sure you've got some fuel tablets handy. Speaking of fire, don't forget fire paracord. It's not just for tying things up, it also has a flammable core to help you start a fire fast. Super handy when you need warmth or to cook your catch of the day. Now let's talk tools. A Gerber Mini multi-tool is like having a toolbox in your pocket. From cutting to screwing, this little guy does it all. Trust me, you'll be glad you packed it. Next, you'll need some cookware. Coleman camping cookware is durable, compact, and just what you need to prepare meals on the go. Plus, it's easy to clean. Bonus points! Shelter is crucial, so don't forget an emergency tent. It's lightweight, quick to set up, and can be a lifesaver if you're caught in bad weather. And lastly, pack some emergency antibiotics. You never know when an infection might strike. They could make all the difference in a survival situation. All right, preppers, that's it for today's essentials. Don't forget to check the description for links to all these items. Stay prepared and stay safe. Catch you in the next one.